Pandas installation setup on Windows 11, Windows 10. Pandas is software library written for the Python programming language. It is using for data manipulation and analysis. Browser open. Google search box lo Python download enter. Enter key press python.org. Download Python. Press link click. Python official redirectory web page complete display. Download for the latest version for Windows. Second option downloads. Select right side download for Windows. Python latest version 3.14.0 button click. Download section lo python.exe setup file downloading process start. Process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo python.exe setup file display. File size 28.5 MB. Setup file select mouse double click. Folder minimize. Install Python latest version 3.14.0 64-bit window lo bottom side first option. Use admin privileges when installing py.exe. Left side first option box tick mark set. Second one add python.exe to path. Create automatic path in system environment variable. Left side box tick mark set. Second option customize installation option select. Installation features window lo all options default tick mark set. Second button next click. Advanced options window lo first option install Python 3.14 for all users. Left side box tick mark set. Customize install location. Installation application default path display local disk C program files newly created folder Python 3.14 set. Second button install click. Python window first button yes click. Setup progress window application related files installing process start. Wait and here few minutes. Setup was successfully window display. Close button click. Python installation verify. Desktop Windows search box lo cmd enter. First option command prompt select. Python text command enter. Python space ---- version. Enter key press. Installation latest version Python 3.14.0. Next to pip space ---- version. Enter key press. Pip installation latest version 25.2. Installation path display. In case pip updated in your system, enter the command python.exe space -m space pip install space upgrade pip. Enter key press. Installing corrected packages pip. Installed version 25.2, latest version 25.3. Second line command copy. Keyboard shortcut key Control C. Command line mouse left click. Keyboard shortcut key Control V. Enter key press. Upgraded your pip package manager 25.3. Next installed Pandas. Enter the command python space -m space pip space install space pandas. Enter key press. Connecting packages. File size pandas 11.1 MB. Downloading numpy. Downloading pandas latest version 2.3.3. Successfully installed numpy and pandas. Installation verify. Enter the command py enter. Import space pandas space as space pd. Enter key press. Next print space open bracket pd dot __ version __ close bracket. Enter key press. Installation pandas latest version 2.3.3.